the shadow of death, and I fear no evil, because I'm blind to it all. In my mind, and my gun, they comfort me, because I know I'll kill my enemies when they come. Surely goodness and mercy will follow me all the days of my life, but I can't walk on the path of the right because I'm wrong. Well, I came upon a man at the top of a hill, called himself the savior of the human race. Said he come to save the world from destruction and pain. But I said, how can you save the world from itself?
Você conhecerá cada aspecto da dor. Vou fazê-lo sofrer e o trarei de volta junto com as cinzas da floresta. E não descansarei. Vou caçá-los até o inferno.
'Cause I